Today I'm tackling something from my to-do list that's been nagging me for a little while now. I don't know if you can relate, but outlets in a kitchen backsplash. We all have them and they are totally functional, I know, but they're just not the prettiest feature in a kitchen design. I'm on it, and when we built this house, I completely missed the boat on those really cool under cabinet outlet strips that keep everything super sleek and hidden. Yeah, those would have been perfect. But hey, we live, learn, and then find creative solutions. For a while now, my solution has been this trusty picture frame leaning casually here, doing its best to hide the electrical eyesore. It works, but I want a cleaner, more minimalist look. I want nothing on the counters here, but I still want the electrical outlet visually gone. I started brainstorming and then came across the perfect item for this project, a cheap picture frame. I picked this one up at Goodwill for less than $2, but they are sold at Dollarama. And the reason I went for a cheap picture frame is for this project, the lighter the frame, the better. Next up, a couple Temu finds. I ordered this canvas print, and I totally love it. How chic is this? Coffee, it's so me. And the genius of the whole project, these simple plastic outlet covers, you know, the ones that you have to like protect children from getting electrocuted? Yeah, a couple of these. My plan is pretty straightforward. I'm going to glue the safety plugs to the back of the picture frame and then plug the picture frame into the wall. How easy is that? Now getting the plugs in the exact right position is crucial. My hack for this? Take a piece of paper, hold it up directly over your outlet. A little tape might help. And then carefully poke the safety plugs through, marking their perfect position. This will then be the template for where you glue them on the frame. If you've watched any of my previous videos, you'll be well aware that accurate measuring is not in my personal toolkit. So I measured and remeasured and tried to be as careful and as accurate as I could. And I really fought against my natural instinct of eyeballing it. Then I used Temu's version of E6000, which works just as well at a fraction of the cost. I taped it down while it dried because this glue does have a longer drying time, at least 20 minutes. The glue needs to dry, so I'm going to focus on the frame. And I want to give this dollar store frame a little bit of a glow up. It is black and I want it black, but there's something about this, I don't know, this finish that I don't love. So I am going to spray paint. There are also some dings which I'll be able to hide with the spray paint. And the mat is honestly, I think, ½ centimeter too big for the picture. So instead of finding a new mat or making one, I'm going to spray paint a mat directly onto the glass. And hopefully this gives me that seamless modern look that I'm going for. So I'm going to tape it off and then spray paint. And honestly, any excuse to spray paint because it's so much fun. Using a scrap piece of paper, I cut out a rectangle a tiny bit smaller than my picture and taped it to the glass. I am very proud of my attention to measuring, by the way. With additional paper, I covered the front glass, tucking it under the frame to make sure I don't get any spray paint on the front of the glass. Then it was my favorite, spray paint time! I've left everything to dry for a couple days and the paper and tape came off just fine, and look, I have a black frame with a mat. Oh, this turned out pretty good. And now I'm ready to assemble. Before I assemble, I want to cut off like the white border around the picture frame just so there's no white showing when I put it together. So I'm just going to do that, assemble, and then go and plug this in. Okay. I glued the art to a piece of black cardstock and then glued that to the backing of the frame. Last step was to assemble everything. It's done. I just have to go plug it in now. Isn't that so cute? Such a cute picture. Okay, time to go plug it in. Ta-da! Look how much cleaner. Okay, this is an outlet that I don't use very often, but if I needed to use it, I can just unplug the frame and I'm good to go. I am so thrilled with this simple, affordable, and yet totally chic DIY. It goes to show you don't always have to spend a lot to get exactly what you want. If you enjoyed this little DIY, give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more easy little projects and decor ideas. Well, thanks for watching and I'll see you soon with another project. Bye! Today I'm tackling something for my tutor. I almost felt like George. I almost did that. George. Anyways, George Russell, F1 driver. He's great, but that's his thing. Anyways, for a while now, my solution has been this truxty. Wow, I don't know what that is. And upside down. There we go. I have a minimum of 4 projects lined up to go. I just really like doing projects. And I'm just really glad that you like watching them. Okay,